Hello. We're working on the head of the sleeve, and now we're going to gather the head of the sleeve to the measurements of the armhole plus 2 centimeters. So my measurement was 51 centimeter around the armhole. So therefore, my gathering, the all measurement of around the sleeve here will be 51 plus 2 centimeters, which gives me 53 centimeters. So your sleeve have to be bigger between 2 and 3 centimeters. So whatever your measurement of the armhole, the sleeves need to be slightly bigger. So now, I'll pull the thread, so both sides, and then before I secure my gathering, so I already secured my gathering on this side, so it's your little knot. Before I secured, of course, I need to measure, and you measuring is the first line, the first machining line, which is where you're following your tailor stocking. So by placing the tape measure, and then you measuring all around to that point. So I usually do it from the seam to seam, which is easier for me to identify exactly where I started. Now, again, I measure 3 times to make sure it's the same amount. When I measure, it's the same amount. When I'm happy, if it's too big, so I readjust and make it more tighter by pulling the thread. If it's too small, then I release my thread out, so in order to release the gathering. Now I've done the gathering and I'm happy with the measurements. It's slightly bigger, 2 centimeters bigger than the actual armhole. And now I distribute my gathering along the head of the sleeve. And now, as you see, it's already better fit. Can you see that it's already creates that curve line on the sleeve, isn't it? So you already see the nice shape of the sleeve. Okay, so if I just turn it that, see that, yeah. So it is already give you that shape. What I would like you to do after, so when you check and get yourself ready and prepared and distribute your ruching, is now we need to press it. So the pressing of the sleeve is extremely important. So in order to, to finalize the shape, and also to make it, all this gathering of your seam shrinks, and to hold the sleeve in that place as well. So it's very, very important. That next stage is the pressing. So for that, you will need water, and you will need your cloth, iron, and also, I will advise you to have the head of the to have the iron board for the sleeve iron board. If you don't have anything like that, you just use the actual iron board, but you may have to create a little bump, so where you can similar to this, so where you can place it like that, and in order to shrink it. Otherwise it will be, difficult for you to do that. So yes, you have to be more inventive, and you have to go and get something, find something which is, round like that, or the best it's the iron board for the sleeves. Okay, so I'll show you the next stage, and then how to iron, how to press your head of the sleeve in the next video. Bye.